All right, so I got cut off for the last, slide because I talked too much. And so the question here is give a brief explanation and interpretation of William Carlos Williams, the great figure. What is the central image of the poem? What does the image suggest? How does the poet's language work to make this impression on readers? And so my answer is right here underneath it. So the central image is, great figure. It's this big red fire truck, and it's got a number 5 on the side, and it's gold. It's driving through the streets. It has its siren wailing, its bells ringing, so you know that it's in an urgent, like it's on its way to save someone. It's urgent. Um, but it doesn't give you really that sense of panic or worry. So if I was to go back to it right here, you don't see anywhere that it's, panicking or anything like that. It's just tense and it's moving quickly. It doesn't make you seem like it's in a rush in a way that's making you like worried for other people. You're more or less just impressed that it's getting through the traffic and not crashing. And so the poem uses a lot of energetic language. So, it's moving unheeded, it clangs, it howls, it rumbles. It makes it sound like it is simply just on its way to get somewhere. If it used words like, instead of tense, it was panicking, it was rushing. It doesn't say things like that. They give the connotation of a panicked state. It's just simply, it's doing its job, it's getting there, it's in a rush, get out of its way. And so that's how the language, so the last part was, how does the language work to make that impression? So that's what it does. It uses specific words that have connotations of a calm urgency rather than like freaking out, driving, gotta go. So that was how they get that impression to the readers. All right. The rest of the time today, you're going to be working on, going through the content, working on the content. And if you are done and you want to, you can complete the exit slip that we'll be doing on Friday.